Have you ever felt na parang yung mga prayers mo ay ang tagal-tagal masagot kasi parang nag-stuck na siya sa traffic? You keep asking, you keep waiting, you're even wondering. And when nothing happens, you start asking a real question to God na, God, are you here with me? Nandiyan ka pa ba? But the truth is that remember the truth will always hard to swallow. Now God is never late, He's just not early either. God's timing isn't our timing. Kaya nga God's timing eh. It is within the timeline of God. It's not based on urgency. It's not based kung gaano mo siya kailangan na kailangan. It is based on the preparation. He's not trying to delay your breakthroughs. He's just making sure na ready ka na i-handle yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi mahirap na kung hindi ka pa ready, di ba? Ang pagiging ready kasi hindi siya nagbe-base dun sa feeling mo na kaya mo na. Okay? It is based on your actions and how you're going to handle it within your character. Sabi sa 2 Peter 3:8, we're reminded now with the Lord a day is like 1,000 years, and 1,000 years are like a day. God sees your whole life from the beginning up until the end. So while you're focusing on when iniintay mo kung kailan mangyayari yung mga prayers mo, He is focusing already on the why and what's next, the reason behind of your prayers. Okay? You might be waiting on the answer of your prayers, but God could be protecting you. He's just developing you or saving you from something that you couldn't see yet. Kasi there's a difference between the world and the heaven. Na si world, to see is to believe, but for God, you need to believe first before you see it. Diba? So don't confuse pagdating sa silence at absence kasi God never leaves you. He never abandoned you. He's just living with you. He's living deep within your heart. So He is not ignoring you. He's just there with you 100% protecting you and preparing you for something. Sabi sa Ecclesiastes 3:11, He has made everything beautiful in its time. So you just hold on, trust the process. Because when it's God's time, nothing can stop it. Everything within your prayer will be as much as beautiful that you couldn't imagine kasi binigyan ni Lord sa tamang panahon. Kaya, keep on trusting God.